West Gulf. It's pretty devastating, and it'll be like this for a very, very long time. There's trash piles everywhere still. That poor house. Oh, poor house. It's just trash everywhere. And it's just, these are places where people have vacation for years, and it'll be back. It'll be back. It's just devastating to see all the trash everywhere. I know some of these are okay, and look, that one's getting renewed again. New roofing. Yay! They waved. Oh my. These trash piles.
That's where those cottages were.
Oh my. It's just so sad. Oh, wow. There's trash again everywhere. These homes. This is probably the worst, I'd say, of the whole island. Well, other than down by the lighthouse, it's pretty bad too. But like on this side here, this is on the opposite side of the beach, and then this would be beach side. So you can see there's just trash. We're in January, which this is what, week 16, 17, about 4 months post our Hurricane Ian. So just so devastating. But some survived, and then some of the ranch houses, of course, didn't. But these upper houses, they fared much better. And then some are just completely gone. These there were buildings here. There's more trash. Oh, Sanibel, golf carts. We'll get you going back soon. I don't know how all this trash is going to be removed from all these trees. It's just so sad. So sad. I know that this was the very first resort that we stayed in, Sunset Beach Resort. That was the very first one we stayed at in 2010, and it still exists. Their pool would be there, and it still exists, but it's definitely gutted.
That's where Beachview Cottages.
And this is Beachview Cottages, where it was. We stayed there too, and it's just totally I've got a postcard to remember that by, but every single little cottage is gone. We rented from this neighborhood when we first moved here 2 years ago, and it looks like that neighborhood just did not fare well at all. And then this is West. What is this? West Wind Inn. It's terrible.
You're not even able to see that.
Oh, look at this house here. The new builds did good. Some of the older builds did not, and of course these lower ones did not do well at all. And that's a newer one. Looks like it fared pretty well. Oh, this house was gorgeous, and it did not do well. We liked that one a lot. This is the bike path that we've made many videos on.
So you'll be able to see any of these houses.
Yeah, some of these, oh yeah, you couldn't used to see these houses because of all the greenery here. And some of the trees though, they will come back. They all are getting greenery back on them. And that house actually just got renovated, so it stayed doing pretty well. And some did pretty good. It's again these ranches that just did not do well. Tragic, but I know that Sanibel will continue to rebuild. And this is Rabbit Road, so this is going towards Sandcap Road. And that house, we always like that little house. It's a tarp on, so it might have done well. And then these homes on Rabbit Road over here, it looks like did pretty well. The road less traveled has rough spots. Yep. So just continue saying prayers for Sanibel, because it desperately needs some positive thoughts. We had to slam on the brakes really quick today because he decided to cross the road. Woo! I'm so glad we saw him. Hey, buddy. See, in Florida, the alligators, which are basically dinosaurs, they survive. Have a good day.